Hey there, welcome back to Darshan Dev. I'm Darshan, and in this video we are going to go over a few of the HTML tags and learn quite a lot of HTML in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. Save a HTML file which is basic HTML.html or any HTML file with .html extension anywhere on your computer. I have it over here on my desktop, and then open it in your browser like this, and then we can get started. The first tag which you should know is the HTML tag, and a tag is written in angular brackets, which are the less than and greater than signs, and an opening tag, which is this one on the first line, is written in this manner, while the closing tag has a / before the tag. So this is a closing tag and this is an opening tag. So whenever I say HTML tags, you always mean opening and closing tags. And the next also we should know that HTML tags are one of the most important tags here, and they should encompass everything within the HTML document. So nothing beyond over here or before the HTML tag. HTML tag starts the HTML document and it ends the HTML document. Okay, so the next tag that we're going to study is the head tag. It contains all the metadata and all the information that is hidden from the user except the title. The title is the tag that goes into the title over here. So title is one of the most important tags that you will use. I'll just say it is, we'll say it's learning basic HTML. So let's move on to the body tag. The body tag includes things which are visible in the HTML documents. Like if you type ABCD in the body tag and save it and refresh it over here, you will see ABCD. So anything that you put in the body tag will be displayed in this area, this window area over here. And see, you can see our title, Learning Basic HTML, over here in the title of our tab. So this is our HTML tag, opening and closing, and this is our head tag, opening and closing. This is our title tag, opening and closing. This is our body tag, opening and closing. So within the HTML tag we have head and body, and within head we have title. So inside body I'm going to show you a lot of tags. One of them is p tag. P tag is paragraph tag, and if you have a code editor right now, or if you're just starting out, download a code editor. It will make your work very easy. Like I can generate simple random text by just typing lorem. So this is our random text, it's in p tag. P tag means paragraph. And then we have heading tags which go from h1 to h6, but you will never use beyond h3. I don't see any reason why you would do that. Oh, so h1 is heading 1, h2 is heading 2, and then we have h3 which is heading 3. We save these and go over here and see this h1, h2, h3, and beyond this it goes the size goes below the p tag, so we won't use it normally. So h1, h2, h3 and p tag, we know all of these tags now. So the next tag that we're going to see is an image tag. So you type image. So inside the image tag we'll remove these complications. An image tag opens here, closes here, and it has an attribute. So attribute is something which is defined inside the opening and closing of these tags. So image space src, which is the source of the image. So I'll just put an image on my desktop and continue. So I have this img.jpg image over here. I'll go to my code and type img.jpg and we save it, and over here we should see that image now. Now we have saved it, we go to our browser and here we see it. Here we have our image, here we have our headings, and here is our p tag. So we have covered most of the tags that you will need in HTML. So staying within our limits of 5 minutes, we have covered a lot of tags. So we save this document and see you later. Bye bye.